Hello, my name is Max, this is NoCodeNerd, episode 34, we're doing Tally today. So, I showed you Typeform, you probably know things like SurveyMonkey and Google Forms, but there are a lot of other form tools out there that are just really smooth, and Tally is now one of my possibly, my favorites. There's a private beta, I'm going to sign up for that immediately. Basically, Tally, right, tally.so. What tally.so is, it's basically like, think Notion, right? Think Notion, but for forms. So I'm going to create a form right here, and I can just make it work. So this is a test form, and I'm going to click enter, and I'm going to click slash, and let's do a multiple choice question. Option A, option B, that's really all. And so that'll be, what is that? Select A or B. A or B, question mark, right? And then you move down, you can do slash again. Let's do, this time, a long answer form, right? So we do that, we give it a title here, and then we give it some placeholder text. I'm able to just like organically kind of build really simple, awesome forms with logos, with pages, like separate pages with like all sorts of crazy stuff, just by typing and moving and making stuff happen. It's awesome. I absolutely love this because I really like Notion and how it functions, and Tally basically took Notion and made it into a form space, right? If you need to make really simple forms, all of their stuff, by the way, is like super free. Like they've made like all of their tool really free, except for a few little use cases like custom domains and stuff like that. But I would highly recommend Tally. You could probably build like an entire little website and actually like create a form out of a website here. That would be an interesting project. But yeah, highly recommend it. Check out Tally. Tally, I'm looking at you guys. Like I think you're like a 2-person team. I like adore your tool. If there's any way we can work together, please hit me up. I like really like what you're doing, and I would love to make content for the tool that you've built or something in that kind of space. No pressure. Just want to be on your radar. Cool. Let me know if you have any questions on what you can build with Tally, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.